frame on the back wall. Yes, it is an iconic train.
Yes, Indian Pacific.
Indian Pacific. Adam from Drawn Camera Action. How are you, buddy?
Awesome.
Well, Train Spotter Special. You did promise it us.
Yes, I did, yes. So
you're actually going to see some pretty unique shots of this is a train that goes from West Coast to East Coast?
Both backwards and forwards, passenger train, yes.
Yeah, and
yes.
that's a few thousand K, isn't it?
It's I said in previous, but I did it when I was a young kid.
Right.
And it's still been going around, so 13, so I'm not telling you how many years ago, but it's a fair whack.
Yeah.
But it goes through the Nullarbor plains. It's a great trip. You get, it's just like any train that's a coach.
It's one of the great train rides of the world. I would put it up there, the scenery you actually go through.
And I think there's another one called the Gand, I think it is.
Yeah.
But this one here was going through Avon Valley. When I was filming.
So if you missed the Avon Descent video, flick back and watch that. But you actually give us a sneak peek in that video.
I did, just a little sneak peek on the Avon Descent, which is whitewater rafting. Yeah. So we snuck that in there, but now we've actually got the full videos of did for the day. So just lucky enough to be in the right time at the right place to be able to do it,
Well, for all training enthusiasts everywhere, no further ado. See if you can spot the Inspire 2 flying around in the background.
Yes.
Because a couple of cameras are on this one.
Yes, you just remind me of that, and so, you'll see the Spire flying around where the train is, because we had a second,
He snuck a second camera.
We did. So
we'll go watch the video. Enjoy.